Does your dog sneeze a lot and very often and seems to almost drown? Do you cough at times that seem very strange to you, such as when you are happy? In this video we are going to tell you in what situations a dog sneezes, when you have to worry and when you have to take it as something nice that it does. Anyway, remember that this article about the breathing of dogs is general information. 1. My dog sneezes a lot and very often. A dog usually coughs for 5 reasons: for an allergy, for a cold, because he has something in the airways that asks him to collect enough oxygen, for mites or for excitement. The reason that your dog sneezes when he gets happy, jumps or moves his tail a lot is because of this, because he is excited. You do not have to worry about it, because there's no reason. But we cannot rest on our laurels and we must know all the reasons why your dog sneezes a lot. If these sneezes are repeated over time, not only when you are happy, you may have mites. These undesirable parasites are able to climb up to your face and sneak into your truffle. In there it will make you cough and cough. 2. My dog sneezes a lot, what can I give him? If sneezing occurs because you're happy, do not give anything, of course. If you see that you have runny nose you may have a cold, but be careful, because these snot can also be a sign of distemper. That is why we recommend that you look for a diagnosis that discards it before trying to treat the cold. If you cough because you have a cold, the best way to take care of it is to prevent you from being in the flow. Close the windows and make sure you drink well. Adjust your diet so you have the strength to fight the disease and do not hesitate to add a little warm water to your feed, or a wet or natural recipe to release vapors and help you eat. 3. My dog sneezes a lot and drowns. As your caregiver you have to know how to differentiate when your dog is excited and when he is scared. It seems easy to say, but sometimes it is not so easy to say. Just in case, think first of all that you may be drowning in something that you could put in your mouth. Since we brought up the subject, do you know how to make the Heimlich maneuver to a dog? It is very easy and it is the technique to take out from inside that which does not let you breathe. Get behind him and cross your arms between his groin and his chest. Now push. If it is a small breed dog, you can grab it by the hind legs and gently shake it. In the last case, a few taps on the back and the area prior to the arrival of your neck will also help you. All this without strength. 4. My dog sneezes when he sees me. Your dog can get to sneeze when he gets happy because of the excitement. If he loves you very much and rejoices a lot when you walk in the door, he may sneeze. Although it seems a charming detail, we recommend that you value if your dog is too attached to you. In summary, if your dog does not have snot, nothing stuck in the throat or nose and does not have mites, the most possible thing is that he sneezes because he is excited and there is nothing to worry about. Would you like to have more information, videos, consultations and free help for your dog every day? Visit the website that is located here below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.